Hi, my name's Tom Halbert. I am Vice President of Sales at Way Interglobal. Today we're here to talk to you about our griddles. We just cooked bacon and eggs and sausage, had a great breakfast, and now it's time to clean it. We recommend using a stiff bristle brush. Scrape around, get all the oil. You can see we have an oil reservoir that collects all the oil coming off the griddle. Scrape around, all good. Once you get done using this, we recommend using some water, paper towel, get it nice and clean. You want to get off all the food residue, all the oil. Nice wet cloth will do that. You can see how nicely seasoned our griddle is now. Might take a couple paper towels. Again, you want to make sure it's not hot. So now that the griddle, the cast iron is completely clean and dry, what you want to do is take just a little bit of oil, drop it on the griddle. What this will do is this will prevent it from rusting once it's in storage. You can see we just got a little bit on there, just spread it all over. And this will prevent any oxidation on your cast iron griddle. And there you have a freshly clean cast iron griddle. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please go to our website at www.wayinterglobal.com.